Hi everyone, welcome into Selenium Python tutorial. Today in this tutorial, I will show you how to create a unique email address and type it into a email field using Selenium and Python. This is super helpful when you creating forms or creating test accounts where you need a different email each time. So let's begin. Suppose you have a registration form and this is email address field. In this field, you need to enter a unique email address each time. So I will show you how you can enter a unique email address each time. So let's begin. Open PyCharm, create a new Python file, right click on Python project, new, and then click on Python file. Click on Python file, enter the file name email underscore unique, and then click on Python file. Now, import the time for adding delays in a script. So use import time. Now use from Selenium and import a WebDriver here. From Selenium import WebDriver for initializing the WebDriver and import by for locating the element from Selenium dot WebDriver dot common dot by and then import by. Now import UUID for generating the unique email address. Import UUID. Now create a function to generate an email address. Create a function here def generate underscore unique and email. This is the function for creating unique email address. Now generate a unique UUID. We need to generate a unique ID. So here create a variable unique underscore ID is equal to UUID dot UUID4 dot hexa, and then you need to define the character limit. Suppose you want to generate the characters 8, so here enter 8. Now create an other variable email is equal to f user and use this unique id variable unique id and use here at the rate example.com. This is the complete unique ID. Here, unique ID generate user and then 8 unique characters. After 8 characters, this is a domain example.com. Now, return email. Next thing here, we need to initialize the driver is equal to WebDriver dot Chrome. Here we just initialize the WebDriver. Now navigate to the URL. Here we are getting some error. Let's remove the spaces here. Now error has been gone. After initializing the WebDriver, we navigate to the URL. So here use driver dot get for navigate to the URL, open this URL and copy complete URL and paste here. Now enter the unique email, generate a unique email. So here we use unique underscore email is equal to generate unique email. Here we just generate a unique email. Now we need to enter the email address. So use here email underscore input equal driver dot find element. Now we need to locate the element. Here we can locate the element by XPath ID, CS selector, tag name and name. Right click on this email address field and then click on inspect. Here we can view ID and name both are not available. You can click on the selector hub. In previous tutorial, I have explained how you can add this extension and find the locators. Here relative XPath are available. Copy this relative XPath and use here by dot and XPath. Enter the path value. We need to enter the text here. So we will use send keys for enter the email address. Email underscore input dot send keys. In the send keys, enter variable and unique email. Here we generate the unique email address. Now add some wait here after input the email address. Add wait time dot slip 10-second wait here and then close the browser. Driver dot wait. Let's run this script. Right click and then click on run email. First, it will navigate to this URL and then generate a unique email address. Here you can view unique email address has been generated and input in this field. Then as well, here we use print. So after closing the browser, it will print this unique email address in a console. This unique email address, just use here print and email. Now in this scenario, it will print the unique email address in a console, and here we just initialize the WebDriver. After initializing the WebDriver, we need to navigate to URL. So here we use driver dot and the URL. Now here we just generate a unique email address and then enter unique email address in email field. Let's again run this script. Right click and then click on run email unique. First it will open the Chrome browser and navigate to this URL and enter the email address. Here enter email address in email field, and same as well, you can view a print the unique email in a console. That it's for today tutorial on entering unique email address with Selenium in Python. This method makes testing easier by avoiding duplicate data issues. If this video helpful you, please like it, leave a comment below and share it with your friends who are learning Selenium. Don't forget to subscribe to SQ World for more easy and useful tutorials. See you in the next video.